Have you ever thought about what neurodivergence means mathematically? In calculus, we measure a convergent series as an infinite sequence with partial sums tending toward a finite limit. A divergent series doesn't converge, so the limit doesn't exist. When I picture neurodivergence, I can see the neurons, or partial sums, firing in an infinitely long train or sequence of thought. Some of my neurons stay on the train, converging on an idea they communicate to cells. Some of my neurons get distracted by dopamine outside the train, causing them to jump out, never stopping at the station to connect their synaptic terminals. But is this failure critical or valuable? The way my neurons diverge can often be exciting, and sometimes what's outside the train helps the neurons eventually converge in ideas past the calculated limit. But the divergence often causes a failure in communication. Sometimes my neurons fail to communicate, causing my needs to go unmet. I often think about how lucky I am that when I forget to eat, my husband pays enough attention to bring me a sandwich. I'm not sure if this is a good neuroscience analogy, since I barely got through the only icky squishy science class I took in college, but the visual does help me remember to check on my train passengers often enough to ensure my needs are met. If anyone wants to animate this picture for people who can't see the movie in their head, just know I would enjoy looking at your art.